This is Brandon with Mountains of Sound Home Inspection, and this is a 1-minute home inspection. Okay guys, here we are in this old 1940s home. I want to show you what we're seeing here. We got some fire damage. This is something we see on occasion. Here we had a fire at some point. This is the chimney. It doesn't look like that's the cause of it. Had a wood burning stove in this house. But you can see here, this was deep in the darkest, furthest corner away from the attic hatch, so I had to really climb over to get here. You can see my little hole here. Had to climb through two of these guys. See lots of knob and tube wiring over here, so really just an old house. You can see that some of this has been repaired, so they replaced some of the old burnt up beams. Some of these still look like they could be kind of questionable and maybe should have been replaced as well. So we're going to make sure that this buyer is aware of this condition. Make sure that, the recommendation we're ultimately going to make is that they get this, a second evaluation here, get a contractor in here just to double check, make sure things are done properly. But you can see this was a significant fire at some point. Would have otherwise burnt the whole house down probably. So, good catch here. Another great day here doing home inspection. So this is Brandon, the home inspector, signing off. We'll see you on the next one.